Hi, myself Kapil Madan, CISO Spark Media Group. We are celebrating October Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and now we are going to have CXO talk on cybersecurity. The success of businesses today not only depends on getting the job done right, but also a well-planned execution of cybersecurity strategy with most of the data and computing moving to the cloud. One needs to educate its system users, monitor real-time traffic, use automated tools that test the availability of system. So from support to strategy, set the culture. This is the theme. So with this context, we would like to welcome Mr. Vikas Thapa, Group CHRO, Spark Minda, and Mr. Ashok Jade, Group CIO, Spark Minda, in our CXO Talk program on cybersecurity. So we want to ask one question like, now most of the industry came digitally, like complete HRMS operation came digitally. What's your take on data protection? Is this today's biggest risk for industries? So what is your view?
So first of all, my heartiest congratulations to the IT fraternity for organizing this cybersecurity awareness and celebrating the month on this. Okay. If I have to come on the cybersecurity, okay, for me it's like a battleground. Okay, cybersecurity is like a battleground which is full of threat. So till the time we are not aware about the threat and we don't take proper prevention to really avoid it, okay, that is going to lead us to a disaster. So it's a must. And even if I look from the Indian context, okay, India ranks almost 10th in the world in terms of cyber crimes, okay, which is pretty high. So many a time we carry a misconception, okay, it will not happen to me, it cannot happen in my system. But that's not a reality. So we have to be prepared, we have to be ready for it.
Yeah, nice, Thapaji, and thank you for joining the IT team. As you know that the one of the success for any organization in the cyber security is their employee participation in the cyber security programs, right? Like in the nation, right? The aware citizens protect the nation. Similarly, the aware employee protects any organization. But in the most of the time, it has been seen that employee many times feel that cyber security is a hurdle in their operation, and here education plays a very important role, right? What is your view that how IT and CISO should work, and what are the things, precautions they should take or initiatives they should take to educate the employee more, become a cyber aware? What is your view on this one?
See, thanks for asking that, Ashok. See, anything you want to introduce new to the employees, it's a change. Okay, and employees or any human being, okay, they have got huge resistance for any change. Okay, let's come to the simpler example. Okay, you can understand the quantum of energy, time, okay, the traffic police is putting on, encouraging people to put on helmet. But how many of us we do it? Okay, even if you put a helmet, we'll put us without a stripe, because the person who is riding the bike, again, he carries a misconception, nothing will happen to me. Okay, so many a times you must have seen the policeman, okay, standing with a rose, okay, and giving it to the person who is wearing the helmet. I'm just saying it's driving a human behavior in a way. So it's going to be a challenging one. Constant messaging, constant realizing them, okay, what is there for you and how it can impact you and what is the benefit you're going to get out of it. So that is very important. So education, awareness, please don't get disheartened if people are not doing it. Okay, it's not a unique problem, it will happen everywhere. So it's more of our endeavor to really constantly really communicating those messages, creating that awareness, and what is there for you, Mr. Employee. If you can create that culture, I think it will fly.
Thank you. Great input, sir.
Thank you, sir. So the last question I want to ask. So we are celebrating October National Cybersecurity Month with lots of awareness activities. Any message that you want to share with our employees on cybersecurity awareness?
See, if whatever understanding I have of cybersecurity, okay, so it typically works on 3 objectives, okay. It talks about integrity or authenticity, it talks about confidentiality, and it talks about availability. Okay. So I think that these are very important things. And so our day-to-day life, now forget about office or our commercial work, okay, our day-to-day life, now there is a huge intrusion of you can say computers and internets, okay. So we have to use data and also. So it is very important, we need to be aware. Okay, so earlier we used to say, okay, people who cannot read and write, okay, those are unpads, okay. Now we have reached a stage, if you are not aware about these things, you will be unpad. Okay. So I strongly encourage people to really show interest in this, take out time, read, make themselves more aware and informed. So at the end of the day, your property, your wealth, your health, every should be protected. That's my message.
Yeah, thanks for these golden words, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me time.
Thank you, Vikash ji. Thank you. Look forward to engaging more with you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.